Asta de frământat, de terminat de frământat și de pus.
Ten years ago, I made a big choice. I left the city, I left the comfort, I left normal life. I moved to a piece of land. No electricity, no hot water, no road. Just soil, wind, silence, and a dream. Why I started? I didn't want to wait for the world to change. I wanted to change my own world first. I wanted to live in a way that helps the earth, not hurts it. To grow my food, to build my home, to live slow, simple and free. I didn't know everything. I wasn't an expert. I just knew this. There must be a better way. The first years were hard, really hard. I made mistakes, a lot of them. Plants died, water ran out, tools broke. Some days I thought, why I'm doing this? But deep inside I feel something growing. Not just plants. Me, I was growing. Building with my own hands. I built my first shelter from simple materials. Earth bags, wood, clay, straw. It wasn't perfect, but it was mine. I feel proud. Every wall I raised was a lesson. Every leak, every crack, every cold night, they taught me more than books ever could. Natural building is slow, but it teaches patience, respect, and presence. And when you sleep in the house you built with your hands, you feel something that no city apartment can give you. The land gave me teachers. I learned from animals. Chickens showed me how to scratch, search, stay curious. Dogs remind me to enjoy the rain. Goats made me laugh. Bees showed me harmony. I learned from trees, from mushrooms, from compost piles. Nature became my school, my friend, my guide. Failures become fuel. So many things went wrong. Seeds didn't grow. Fences fell down. People didn't understand. But I didn't stop. Because every mistake was also a step forward. That's how a sustainable life is built, not with perfection, but with perseverance. You fall, you get up, you learn, and the land remembers. It always gives you another chance. A fire that never went out. There were cold winters, broken tools, and days with no money. But inside me, the fire never went out. Every time I ate a tomato I grow, every time I sat under a tree I planted, I knew this is worth it. 10 years later, now, after 10 years, I have more than a farm. I have a home, a place of peace. I have built houses, gardens, ponds, systems for water and energy. I have raised animals, grow food, made compost, share what I learn. But most of all, I've built myself. Today, I teach others what I've learned. I host people who want to live differently. I help them plant the first seed, build the first wall, feel the first moment of true connection. And I tell them, you don't need to know everything. You just need to start. One step, one shovel, one dream. The power of the long road. 10 years is not a short time, but change takes time. Grow takes time. We are used too fast. Fast food, fast money, fast results. But the earth moves slow. A tree takes years to grow. A healthy life takes seasons to build. And that's okay, because the long road gives deep roots. A message to you. If you are listening to this, maybe you feel the same calling. Maybe you want to grow your own food, build your own shelter, live a simple life. But maybe you're scared. Maybe you think it's too late, too hard. I'm here to tell you can do it. Not all at once, but step by step. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to begin. The earth is ready. Are you? After 10 years, I still wake up with the same fire. I still believe in this way of life. And I believe in the future. Because I've seen what's possible. I lived it. This is not just my story. It can be yours too. Welcome to the journey. Welcome to the Solar Punk life. I'm Alex, your host. All the best. Papa.